Okay, I'm getting ready to use my rivet machine here, but I got to make a holder for down in here. So we're going to roll these clutch baskets out here again. We're going to be riveting on our new ratchet plate. So this one here is the one that's broken, so I'm going to work on this one. So I made a bunch of measurements of all these different styles of baskets that are sitting here. These are all 71 through 79 style. So this is what I've come up with in my dimensions right here. So that's what I'm going to make out of a piece of steel. So it's 2 1/4 inches tall by was it 3 inches in diameter? Something like that. No, it's bigger than 3 inches. 4 inches in diameter. I don't know. Whatever the hell it is. It's that piece of metal. It's this piece of metal right here. It's that big. I'm going to rivet that onto there for the customer. So this is the piece I have here, which is made for the early bike. This does not fit onto this. This is the previous video, you'll understand this. So I need to make one that'll go over that 3-inch register. This isn't 3 inches here. I'm not modifying this tool, so I'm going to make a new tool. So I got to make this piece here. So instead of only being 1 3/4 inches, whatever all this is, it's going to have to be 2 1/4 inches tall to get up over the top of this, from here to here. A lot taller. So I got a little chunk of metal here to make it from. Cut that down a little bit. I was hoping to use some of my blocks up there, but they're too small. Another 1/8 of an inch, or with a 1/4 inch bigger, I could use them. Alright, so I need to figure out the rivet pattern, and that basket over there is really, really bad. So I'm going to cut this one off, and so I can get the hole pattern I need. I need a good one. And this one hasn't been butchered yet. The other one has been. Alright, so like I said, that's the part I'm going to have to make. So that's where we're at. So I'm going to go ahead and go back and grind this off with a big grinder. And I got my punches and my chisel to beat it off with. Alright, I'm going to the back room. Alright, we're back here in our welding area. Nice and cool back here. So I got to get these either ground down or cut down, these rivet heads off, and then I can try to get this plate up. So that's our project here. So how are we going to do that? That's a good question. And my damn phone too. So I can either use my big grinder over here to do it, or I can use a cutter like this to do it, or you can sand it off with that. We'll do that. Alright, we're back. Alright, let's see what we're going to do here. I gotta make a decision. Usually I just grind it. Let's see, maybe we'll do something different. Let's see what this here. I don't know if this is deep enough to get in there. Yeah, it's deep enough. I don't know how this will work. One way to find out is try it out. I know how this works. First thing you're gonna do is hold on to it. There, I'm held on. Alright, let's see how this works. I think I need to move this a little bit. That'll work. Alright, seems to cut through relatively easily. Slightly quieter in the grinder, but not much. I don't know if it's any faster though, we'll find out in a minute. It's hard to see where the rivets are at. There's one there, there's one there. I don't see it on this one. I think there's one right there. Must be another one over here then somewhere. Alright, I'm going to cut one more and then we're going to try grinding. We can try different methods. Yeah, we can always try this one out, see how it works. This costs a lot more than that piece of crap there though. See how this works. Try a couple different things. Let's see how this one works. Alright, there's that one. Now we'll try the big grinder. You also try die grinding it off like that, but I wouldn't do that. That'd take forever. And those bits cost too much. Good. Try this big boy one here. I need an airline though. Could have an airline to run that. One airline. Hey, look what I found lying over here in the back corner. Used to be an airline. Noisemaker. It makes a lot of noise. Alright, so there's the big ass grinder. There's the chop saw cutter, and there is the sander grinder thing. So the sander leaves the most smoothest finish with the holes you can see the easiest. This is the roughest one, and this digs in the most. So there you go, 3 different ways of doing it. You can also use a cold chisel or a power hammer and really beat the tar out of it. Alright, let's see if the rivets will come out. I have my doubts about that happening. Good hammer though. Alright, let's see how this works. It's too far away over there. Okay, we're going to have to try to get the dimples to go downward. Probably not the best to beat on it in the vise. It's hard on the teeth, hard on the drum. Of course, this table bounces a lot, which is not the best either. Okay, so I can see one of the holes right here. Not doing much. Ah, that stung when it hit the finger. Miss. There she goes. There it moves. There you go. Nice and easy. You can have really good high quality punches. These ones are Craftsman's, very cool. Safety glasses, you gotta be kidding. Craftsman, this is the old stuff, USA made. These are good ones. Now you notice how it says goggles and not glasses. That's because glasses don't do squat. Shit goes right in past behind you with your eyeballs. Goggles give you more protection. So I can see those 2 holes there. So I'm gonna use those. So you will bend your punch if you keep doing this, because these are not made to take this kind of abuse. Where'd it go? Have to figure out where the hole's at. right there. That was already going. This one already moved too. I like that. So when it moves, it breaks free, it starts to move, and it comes out the other side over here. You don't really see it moving in here yet, but it has. Right there, you can see it dropping. Once it starts to move, they'll move out pretty easy. It's just getting them to go is the first problem. It's just a matter of getting to move. Okay, so that was a rough grinder, that was a fine grinder. Let's go try the chop saw. I doubt if it makes any difference which way you used it. The problem with this is I can't see exactly where the hole is at. I think there's one right here. Yep. Not moving yet. Starting to move. There it goes. There's another one here, but it's hard to tell. Yep, that's it. There you go. Alright, here's all three different designs. They all kind of, so it's hardest to see is the one with the chop saw. So the easiest is the grinder, the fine grind. Tough one. Hard to see what. Oops. Slobbering all over the place. It's hard to see where that one's at. It's not really moving. I think I'm in the right area. It's not moving though. Ah, stings when it hits you. Alright, that should be in the right spot, but it's not moving yet. Maybe further over. Ah ha 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 ha, that stings. I think there's a hole under there now. There it goes. I was in the right spot, it just didn't want to come out. There you go. I can see this one right here. Oh, that was soft. And the last one is right there now. Boom. And it fell off. There you go. Now if you didn't want to do all that hammering, if you grind this thing just about completely all the way through, it'll come off a little easier. Less riveting. But it's up to how much grinding you want to do. If you want to do a lot of grinding, do a lot of grinding. It's up to you. Okay, so I'm going to blow this off. Now I got some nice holes to work from that are not butchered. These are stock holes. So these are the rivets that we're not going to use no more. You know, I dropped that almost. These are junk. Alright, we'll be back.